Hello everyone, my name is James, and in this video, I will show you how to order UV DTF stickers by size on our website. First, you're going to hover over the UV DTF stickers menu and click UV DTF stickers by size. And once the page loads in, you can click the choose file button to choose your desired file. And once your file uploads, you can choose your quantity here and your desired size here. Additionally, you can have your orders pre-cut, meaning that they will come in individual pieces rather than coming on a roll. Once you're done, you can click the Add to Cart button and it will show you all your order details here. And if you're satisfied with them, you can click the Checkout button and you're done.